Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I thought I'd see if I can knock out this video before everybody gets cray-cray. Hubby is home early today and I think he's out there doing leaves and the dogs are getting all So yeah, it's a little noisy around here right now. So this is, I think it was a $94 haul, and I didn't get that much, so we will get started. We got our late July jalapeno and lime. I just got these because I want to get them before they don't have them anymore. I got the Zax's Mighty nacho tortilla chips, and we eat sandwiches and stuff like that a lot, so that's why I get the chips. I got some broccoli florets. I got some maple syrup breakfast sausage. I got a 4-pack of ginger ale. That's to go in the just in case somebody gets sick pile. I got, look how small that is, herbed goat cheese. I got some olives. My husband's a big olive person and they're getting hard to find. I got some apricot jam because apricots are hard to find, so I couldn't make my own. I got an eggplant. We love some fried eggplant. I got a bag of, what kind of apples are these? What kind of apple are you? Honeycrisp. Bag of Honeycrisp apples. I got some black bean tortilla chips. Some Snyder's honey mustard and onion pretzel pizzas. I still say that was a genius idea of taking broken bits in the factory and turning them into money. Some more garlic croutons because we eat a lot of salad. I got some whole grain pita bread, some cooking spray. I got this whole chicken. It's a pretty big chicken. I'll get a few meals out of that. There's the chicken. It's about 4.5 pounds, 5 pounds. I got some peanut butter, delicata squash, some eggs, some vanilla and chamomile yogurt for his lunches, and a pound of ground beef. So that is that haul, and haven't heard any updates on anything. Can't remember what I was going to say. So I did can 15 jars of salsa. We're going to be canning that. So if you're into canning cheeses, I will be doing, they are Rebel recipes, so if you're not into the Rebel canning, you probably don't want to watch those videos. So yeah, that's my haul, my fresh food, basically, kind of, sort of, mostly haul for this week. Didn't get a lot, but I've got other meats in the freezer. I buy eggs every week because I have to make my husband's breakfast for a week. And then the yogurts I make him granola and then the yogurt parfait with the berries yogurt, and he eats that together. So he eats more food at work than he does at home, which I find very strange. Do you guys have a husband that does that? I've asked him about it. I said, why do you eat more food at work than you do at the house? And he takes breakfast sandwiches, snacks, those beef sticks, granola, yogurt, his breakfast sandwich, his lunch, which is usually whatever we had for dinner the night before. Like, he has a ton of snacks and food that he takes to work, and I just don't understand why he eats so much food at work, but he doesn't eat like that at home. I've never seen him at home eat yogurt and granola or beef sticks. What else do I not see? He does eat the breakfast sandwiches at home when he's home. I cooked breakfast Sunday, so I made a big breakfast for us: hash brown, sausage, eggs, and an English muffin. So anyways, you all take care, you stay safe, you stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.